The raised needle weave bar is a wonderful three-dimensional stitch. Begin by using a needle or a pin to hold the working thread looped at one end like this. I'm holding the needle straight under the hoop. Ensure the thread is pulled and tight. Now come out from one side and start weaving all the way up. You can weave it tight or loose. It is best to use a pin to hold the base stitch in place. My stitch is about 5 centimeters long, and I'm using all the 6 strands. For absolute beginners, this stitch might seem slightly challenging, but you will definitely have fun. Try to make sure that you have enough thread to work the entire needle weave bar at one go. Once you reach the end, remove the needle. See that the stitch is standing free and attached only on one side. This means you can secure down the other end wherever you want. Take the needle in through the little gap left by the needle that was removed. I will twist the stitch and hunch it a bit before securing it like this. This is a great stitch to create dimensional structures, especially botanical structures. Let me know how you will use this stitch. Thank you so much for watching.